Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to stream games on TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your TikTok account. The next thing is to click on the plus icon found below the bottom of your screen. Clicking on the plus icon is going to take you to this phase of your TikTok where you just have to click on live option. Clicking on live option, you just have to type in your title for the game. I'm going to be using game theory. Then type in the select any of the game of your choice from this option. So I'll be choosing Lido because I have Lido on my phone. Any game you're going to select here must be downloaded on your phone or any of the device you're using to play the game. So I'll be selecting Lido. The next thing I have to do is to click on go live. Clicking on go live, you're going to see the instructions that pops out on your screen. It says start recording or casting with TikTok. TikTok will have access to all of the information is visible on your screen or played from your device while recording or casting. This include information such as password, payment details, photos, messages, and audio that you play. The next thing you have to do is to click on straight to our Lido. Since we have clicked on start now, so on my Lido game, so this is my Lido game. I just have to click on start now. So TikTok is going to be recording everything that is being done on the screen now. Everything that I'll be doing, that I'm going to be doing here, is going to be surfacing on my TikTok. So guys, that is it on how to stream games on TikTok. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so let's get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.